Okay, quick video. So this is basically what the drum's going to look like. There's going to be this, you break that open, unscrew that. There will be a tab in here. You pull that off first. That releases some of the air. Then put the cap back on and pull up. That way the suction doesn't get oil all over the place. This is empty right now. So then you take this, put it up like that, hold it. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. I'm trying to take a video. Take the cap off. Put your picture under it. Roll. Oh my god, this isn't working with... here. Okay, so maybe... Yeah, this is going to be the best video ever. Okay. There's nothing in it right now. So then you roll it. You would use two hands until the oil starts coming out. Pretending oil is coming out. And you can roll this however you need it. And then you just roll it back up. And put the cap back on. Put it back upright. That is it.